Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to boost your website speed using CDN in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website. Then click on this login button. Fill in your login credentials and hit login again. Go to the website's page from the top. And next to the website you want to boost its performance, click on this Site Tools button. Now click on Speed from the right side of the screen and select CDN. As you can see, a CDN means Content Delivery Network. This technology caches your content across a wide, geographically dispersed network of servers, delivering it from the closest server to each visitor. This results in quicker load times and happier visitors. This means that your website files will be stored in multiple servers across the world, and after that, each visitor tries to visit your website or do something on your website, he will be connected to the closest server to its geolocation, and this makes the loading time faster. Now, SiteGround offers two plans or two CDN plans, the basic one for free and the premium one for this price. With the basic plan, you get CDN only for your primary domain, a bandwidth of 10 gigabytes per month, and a caching and a static caching. Now for this video, I will go with the basic plan. So click on this select. Let's see all the features of both plans. After that, let's click on select below the basic plan. Now select the domain name you want to activate or enable the CDN technology for. The CDN activation will override all the A4A and C name records for the selected. If you deactivate the CDN, the domain will be pointed to your site IP. So click on activate for free. As you can see, CDN enabled successfully. And below, attention required if you are using a local email client like Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbolt, Apple iPhone or Android email apps, make sure it is set to use this address for IMAP, POP3 and SMTP server settings. Otherwise, your email client won't work properly. This means that if, for example, you're connecting your SiteGround email account with Gmail, you need to use this web address. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained Today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, eCommerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2, Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. In my case, I don't use that, so I will skip it. And as you can see, the status now is active next to your domain name. And this is how to boost your website speed in SiteGround using CDN. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.